Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Thursday, February 16th. Here is our general disclaimer. Give this a read. When you've done so, let's move on. Here, looking at the tick US model, nice continuation higher from yesterday's action. We are now through the moving average ribbon, clear above it. Railroad tracks higher on short-term moving average ribbon. Filtered tick, net, a little bit of buying, and new highs continue to outpace new lows. Model is looking constructive here. Looking at the tick ARCX model, again, improvement from late last week. This week, nothing but updates so far. Linear up week, I guess you could say. Cumulative tick is now above the longer term moving average ribbon, above the shorter term moving average ribbon. Railroad tracks higher. So again, this model continues to improve day over day. Going to our SPY Gamma dashboard real quick, just looking at the price actions today. We had transition zone right at 410. This was pretty clear level. Through 410, move would be up to 420. Below 410, move obviously down is to 400, those being plus GEX and negative GEX respectively. One thing to note is we have a ton of positive delta here below, what is that, 417. This is all constructive. Above 417 may start to be harder to get through these as delta does start to flip-flop between negative and positive. We do want to see this cleaned up in the coming days and weeks. Lastly, we're going to hit on typical price action that we do every day. Daily chart 390, big level to the downside. Right now, we're kind of in just a chop zone that was pounded out last week on this time zone or time frame. Not a ton to do here. Zooming into the hourly chart, just becomes more clear. Not a ton of structure here again on this time frame. Not a ton to do. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, I just want to highlight some key supply and demand zones to the upside and to the downside. These may be levels of interest as we do potentially come into one of those tomorrow. Be interested to see how we interact. To the downside, we do have this key technical level right around probably 1350, 1375 that is developing. Again, two levels of interest headed tomorrow's session. Again, then slapping on our gamma levels, we do have P-trans to the downside, potential supply area if we do get, or sorry, demand area if we do get down there. However, to the upside, we have plus GEX. However, in terms of trading on this time frame, using our gamma levels, not a ton to do. The time to do that was today. However, we may see a shift in our levels tomorrow, which may offer an opportunity. But again, not every single day is going to be a trade opportunity. However, today was a great example. By great example, this is what I mean. Here's just a trade log of mine today. Looking, we just saw a great price interaction, both with uh, zero gamma and also positive P-trans gamma. I did take a trade off P-trans. For those interested, you can look at the trade log. Again, just a couple great examples of how we do use our levels. Rounded it out here, looking at SPX, kind of no man's land right now, not a ton to do here. We have COTMP to the downside, potential demand area if we do see some kind of a downward price action. Target would be overhead at 4,200 plus GEX. And then looking at Qs is just bumping up right against plus GEX. One trade idea for y'all tomorrow. Just quickly scanning through the liquidity stocks, we do have AMD closed right at its P-trans level. So if we do see a move higher in the general market, this could be a stock that is performing relatively well. Potential area you could size is off P-trans. So with that, best of luck to you all tomorrow. I will talk to you all tomorrow night. Bye.